Budgeting Techniques for Beginners, a practical guide to managing your finances effectively. Budgeting isn't about restricting your lifestyle, it's about empowering it. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build financial stability, the foundation starts with a budget. For beginners, this can seem intimidating, but the process is far more manageable than you think. This guide is tailored for those who are just starting out with personal finance and budgeting. We'll walk through what a budget is, why you need one, and how to create and maintain it. We'll also explore various budgeting techniques, tools, and practical tips that will help you stay on track. What is a budget? A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses over a specific period, typically monthly. It helps you understand where your money goes and ensures you're spending in alignment with your financial goals. Why budgeting matters. Financial awareness. It reveals your spending habits and patterns. Debt management. Helps allocate funds to pay off debts more efficiently. Goal achievement. Enables you to save for things that truly matter. Stress reduction. Removes the uncertainty around finances. How to prepare a budget. Before you dive into budgeting, a little preparation can go a long way. But you can follow the following steps to get your budget right. 1. Identify your financial goals. Set short-term, e.g., buying a gadget, mid-term, e.g., clearing a credit card, and long-term goals, e.g., home ownership, retirement. Goals give your budget direction and purpose. 2. Gather financial information. Collect details about your income, salary, freelance work, side gigs, passive income, fixed expenses, rent, mortgage, insurance, subscriptions, variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, dining out, irregular expenses, annual car insurance, gifts, vacations. 3. Track current spending. Spend a month tracking every transaction. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper. This data will help you identify where you can cut back or reallocate funds. Creating your personal budget. Now that you have a financial snapshot, it's time to build your budget. 1. Calculate your monthly income. Include all reliable sources of income. Net salary after tax. Freelance or side hustle income. Investment dividends. Government benefits, if applicable. 2. List monthly expenses. Break them into fixed expenses. These are consistent month to month. Variable expenses. These change depending on usage and lifestyle. 3. Categorize your spending. Common categories include housing, utilities, transportation, food, health and insurance, debt repayment, savings and investments, entertainment, personal care. 4. Choose a budgeting method. There are several budgeting strategies available. Choose one that fits your personality and lifestyle. More on these below. 5. Set spending limits. Based on your income and past spending, allocate specific amounts to each category. 6. Prioritize savings and emergency fund. Always pay yourself first. Ideally, save at least 20% of your income if possible. Build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Popular budgeting techniques you should know. Let's dive into various budgeting methods suitable for beginners. These include 1. The 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% wants, dining out, entertainment. 20% savings/debt, savings, investments, debt repayment. Best for simplicity and flexibility. 2. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a job until you reach zero. This requires more attention to detail, but offers full control. Best for people who want granular control of their finances. 3. The envelope system. Use physical envelopes or digital equivalents for each category. Once the envelope is empty, no more spending in that category. Best for those trying to curb overspending. 4. Pay yourself first. Prioritize savings and investments first, then spend the rest. Great for wealth building. Best for people with long-term goals or struggling to save. 5. The anti-budget. Rather than tracking every dollar, automate savings and bills, then freely spend the rest. Best for people who find traditional budgeting too rigid. Popular budgeting tools and apps. You don't have to do this alone. There are tools to simplify budgeting. 1. Use budgeting apps like Pocket Guard. 2. Using spreadsheets. If you prefer control and customization, use Excel or Google Sheets. Templates are widely available and easy to tailor. 3. Pen and paper budgeting. Old school but effective. Writing things down can improve mindfulness and discipline. How to maintain your budget. Creating a budget is one thing. Sticking to it is another. Here's how you can maintain your budget. 1. Review weekly and monthly. Check your spending at least weekly. Adjust if you're consistently overspending in a category. 2. Adjust as needed. Life changes. Got a raise? A new expense? Update your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses. 3. Include fun money. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. Allow some funds for guilt-free spending. 4. Use automation. Automate bill payments, savings contributions, and investments. It reduces errors and forgetfulness. 5. Track progress toward goals. Celebrate milestones. Paid off a credit card? Saved $1,000? Acknowledge it. It keeps motivation high. Budgeting tips for financial success. 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't automatically increase spending. Direct increases toward savings or debt repayment. 2. Beware of hidden expenses. Watch for subscription creep, delivery fees, ATM and banking fees, and late payment penalties. 3. Embrace frugality, not deprivation. Saving money doesn't mean being cheap. It means spending intentionally. Use libraries, cook at home, buy secondhand, and use coupons where possible. 4. Build accountability. Share goals with a friend, family member, or financial coach. Consider joining personal finance communities online for support. Common budgeting mistakes to avoid. 1. Not budgeting at all. The worst budget is no budget. Ignorance isn't bliss, it's expensive. 2. Setting unrealistic goals. Don't aim to save 70% of your income overnight. Start with achievable steps and build up. 3. Forgetting irregular expenses. Plan for birthdays, holidays, and annual fees, so they don't blindside you. 4. Being too rigid. Budgets should adapt with life. It's okay to revise it when needed. Conclusion. Your financial future starts now. Budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a personal journey. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and give yourself grace along the way. Whether you're using apps, spreadsheets, or envelopes, what matters most is that you take control of your financial story. Remember, you work hard for your money. Your budget makes sure your money works hard for you.